everything is coming. All right, everything works, splitting, dwelling, but then I can't see anything on the screen. That is the problem I'm having here. I can't see anything on the screen.
The screen issue on the Yamaha PSR-E473 is a common factory problem found in earlier models. Many users have reported similar faults, and replacing the screen is the best way to restore full functionality.
Okay, so all the screws are at the back of this piano. So we're gonna put it down, upside down, and then take out every screw.
We start by carefully removing the screws from the keyboard, making sure not to scratch the surface or damage any components. Using the right tools and a gentle approach is key to keeping the keyboard in good condition. Okay, so right now we've opened the keyboard. Into your replace the screen no. Into cables and now replace the screen no. In fact, the inside is so nice, so neat. That's why when you buy a keyboard, you should get a bag for it. We first disconnect all cables carefully. This ensures we don't put any strain on the connectors or risk damaging the board. Once all the cables are safely removed, we gently take out the motherboard, keeping track of its positions for an easy reassembly. Now we are slotting the new screen in, nice and firm, making sure it sits right without forcing it. It's important to keep a steady hand so we don't damage any connectors. Next, we drop the motherboard back in, align it properly with its mounting point. Then, we hook up the necessary cables to power it up and check if the new screen is working. At this stage, no sealing yet, just a quick test to make sure everything runs smoothly before locking it all down. The screen is displaying perfectly, so now we secure everything with the final screws. We tighten them just right, then place the cover back on. With that, the keyboard is sealed and good to go. So right now we've been able to replace the screen. So this is the one that was not coming and this is the new one. So as you can see, it's reflecting whilst I'm playing on the screen. So that is